If you are someone who successfully completed the naturalization process in the Netherlands and now ready to start your OCI process, then you first need to surrender your Indian passport. In this video, you'll learn how to surrender Indian passport in the Netherlands. Let's begin. The first step is to check for latest updates in the Indian Embassy website. Let's quickly review Apply for Surrender Certificate process. The application process can be broken down in 3 steps. 1. Preparing a checklist. 2. Making an appointment with the embassy. 3. Buying a DHL receipt. Let's dive into the checklist. It's a PDF listing all required documents for submission. It needs to be placed on top of all your documents, so make sure to print it. Then start collecting all the documents listed in there. Let's begin with the application form. The website link for online application form is easily available. Log in or register if you don't have an account. Registration is a simple process. Select Netherlands, The Hague in the Embassy section. Enter your basic personal details to register successfully. Then log in using your credentials. In the Services section, click on Apply for Surrender Certificate. Select Skip for now to fill everything from scratch. It's a 7-step form, starting with passport details. Make sure the reason for surrender is acquiring foreign nationality and enter the correct acquisition date as mentioned in your naturalization certificate. Fill in your personal details here. Add family details, specifying at least one is mandatory here. Enter your present residential address. Provide emergency contact details. Verify the passport number and surrender reason. Review all details and self-declare that all information is correct. Confirm all details are correct and submit the application. In the My Application section, you will find the submitted applications. Note down the application reference. You need this to book an appointment. Click on More Actions to upload necessary documents. It's mandatory to upload signature and photograph. You can also view the uploaded documents here. Then upload Indian passport, foreign passport, and naturalization certificate as supporting documents. Your application form is now complete. Print 2 passport-size photographs of size 35 by 45 millimeters. Carry a copy of Dutch passport, original Indian passport, copy of Indian passport, and copy of naturalization certificate. Now let's look how to book a DHL receipt. The documentation is available in the Embassy website. You need to select Fast Express, a 4-envelope package. Enter your own details in the Receiver section. Enter embassy details in the name and address sections. Add your own email and contact details. Select Drop-off at DHL service point and make your payment. Print out the DHL receipt and attach it on a 4-envelope. That completes the checklist of all documents required to submit. Now it's time to make an appointment. Visit the appointment website, check slot availability, and book promptly as soon as the slots open. Proceed to make your appointment with your surrender application reference number. You are all set. Make sure you carry all original documents to avoid any issues and be there on time for your appointment. Good luck!